Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy cauliflower bites. First, take a medium-sized cauliflower. Then remove its core as shown in the video. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now transfer those pieces into a container and add half teaspoon of salt and some water. Let it sit there for about 10 minutes. After that, drain the water and keep the cauliflower pieces aside. Now add 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of cornstarch and add some salt. Also add half teaspoon of crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and finally 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves. Now mix everything together a little bit. Then add some water little by little to make a thick batter. Next, we add 1.5 tablespoon of hot oil to this batter. This will make it more crispier. Now we add cauliflower pieces into the batter and mix well. Make sure you coat each piece very well with the batter. Now we fry the cauliflower pieces in medium heat oil for a few minutes. Take them out when they are brown. Let those pieces cool for about 10 minutes. Heat oil again. Now oil should be very hot. Fry cauliflower pieces in oil for a few seconds and remove from oil. Now it is ready to taste. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.